Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a half hitch knot chain. So obviously to make this pattern we're going to use half hitch knots. So let me show you how you do it. We're going to take the pair of strings on the end, fold them over the pair next to it. It wraps around and then through the little loop, and then we pull it out, and we're going to kind of pull it tight. And the tricky part is trying to get the strings to lay where you want, so if you have to fiddle around with them, that's perfectly fine and normal. And I kind of like to pull on each string individually to tighten it up. And that's how you make your first half hitch knot. And so then we take the other side, it goes over and around through the loop. And we pull on that, fiddle around to make it lay how we want. And that's all there is to it. So we take the other side again and repeat the same process. And there you go. That is how you make a half hitch knot chain. And I wanted to use two different colors just to make it clear where each rope should lay. And now I want to give you an example what it will look like if you use one color, which I think looks just as nice. And there you go. That's just another variation, not even really a variation, just different color scheme for the half hitch knot chain. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and that it has inspired some of your newest macrame projects.